Welcome all. Today we are here with a new topic, and our today's topic is drilling rig system. The rig system. What are the different kinds of systems on which the activities are done and all the operations are carried out? So, welcome again. Today is the day 21. So, let's start the session. So, the rig has been categorized in six um, operation types. Okay, and all the rigs work according to these six main systems, and most of the equipments are used in under these systems. So let's see what are those systems and what are their functions. In this video I have made the 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 systems of the rig, and in the next videos I will make the separate sessions for the power system, how the power system works, what are the equipments that come under the power system, and what is the hoisting system, how it works, what are the equipments come under hoisting system, how the hoisting system is done in the rig. So likewise the rotary system, circulation system. This circulation system is the mud system. Okay, it means the mud, how the mud flows from one place to another place, what is the function of the mud, and what are the equipments come under the mud system. So, well control system, how to control the kick and how to control the BOP. So, the last but not the least, the monitoring system. So, I will make the separate videos on each topic, like part 1, part 2, part 3, and we are going to learn a lot of things. So, I just advise you to see all my videos carefully, and and I hope you will learn something from my videos. So let's start the session. Uh, as I said, the rig has been categorized by six systems. Okay, and all the rig, even that is onshore rig or that is offshore rig, all have one mission to drill, to to get the desired depth and achieve the natural resource reservoir, either crude oil, okay, or natural gas. All kinds of rig have similar, mm, the maximum similar equipments, and their operation also similar to the great extent. So let's see. uh, while there are different types of drilling rigs, it means it is telling it that can be onshore rig or that can be offshore rig. If in onshore rig there is only one kind of rig, that is land rig, but in offshore rig, there are multiple kinds of rig. That can be jackup rig, that can be drill ship, that can be semi-submersible rig, that can be barge rig. Okay, so but all the rig work similar. Okay, their equipments, their maximum equipments are same. Their maximum operating procedure is same. Okay, so these rigs obviously share many similarities since tasks that they perform are identical. It means the same. In particular, all modern hydrocarbon rotary rigs contain six main systems, and these systems are following. So number one is power system, hoisting system, rotary system. Number four is circulation system. Number five is well control system. It means the blowout preventer system. Okay, use of the blowout preventer. And six is monitoring system. This monitoring system has been brought in the practice before 8 or 9 years ago. Actually, before that this system was not in the practice. So monitoring system, we will see what are the things come under the monitoring system and what are their objective. Okay, so the number one, we have the power system. What exactly the power system? The power system is nothing but to provide the electrical energy to all the equipments, to the rig, to run the operation. Okay, so let's see. The power system of a drilling rig provides the necessary energy to operate various components of the rig. It typically includes the diesel engine that, that provides the power, electrical energy or electrical power to the draw works, okay, to the mud pumps and other equipment on the rig, to the we can say the TDS top drive system also, okay, and to the rotary table also. Sometimes the rotary table has its own electrical motor, but the most of the time in most of the rig, the that rotary table is run by the diesel engine, okay, on the rig. Additionally, provide and the electrical power is also provide to the electricity for the rig lighting, because in the rig there are multiple places there is light actually, such as lighting in the derrick, the electrical lighting on the rig floor, the electrical lights are on the mud tank, and the rig side accommodation quarters in the rooms where the rig crew lives. In that room, the electrical energy is required to for the air condition running, for the light purpose, okay, and for the geyser for the warm water. So the electrical energy is given to all the equipments and the rig. So we need a power system in the at the rig site. Here we are seeing that we have the engine generator set. In this picture we have 3 engine generator sets, and it's showing that the electrical energy is being provided but through the distribution system. This is a distribution system. This can be either VFD or SCR, and this electrical energy is given to the mud pump, to the TDS, it means the top drive system. It is the draw work actually, and this one is the rotary table. And here I want to tell you that the draw work, this one is the blue one, the draw work and the mud pump. These two equipments are actually consume the most electricity rather than other equipment in the rig. So in this, I want to make this video short, in brief actually, the brief information about all the systems, and the next videos I will make the separate on each topic, and I will try to explain the much necessary informations on that. So now the first element is the power system is over now. So we are proceeding to the next, the hoisting system. The hoisting system on a drilling rig does the heavy lifting on the rig. Okay, hoisting system is used to raise, lower, and suspend the drill string, casing, and the tubing and surface equipment into and out of the wellbore. Okay, so now the draw works is the main equipment of the hoisting operation, and draw work is called the heart of the hoisting system. Okay, the draw works consist of a large drum around which the drill line is reeved. Okay, the system also includes a set of brake to control the speed and movement of the drill string. Okay, so draw work is the main equipment of the hoisting system. Now we will see in our easy language what the hoisting system is. The hoisting system means to lifting, lowering, and keeping in suspended state to any tool. For example, the drill string. It means the drill pipe, the combination the drill pipe and the BHA bottom hole assembly and drill bit, and to the casing, tubing, and other surface equipment, to lifting and lowering into and out of the wellbore is called the hoisting system in a rig. So we will see in details in the next videos. The rotary system. The rotary system is an essential part of the drilling system. It is responsible for rotating the drill pipe and drill bit, enabling the cutting action that creates the wellbore. The rotary system includes the components such as, okay, the rotary system contains the system either that Cayley, Okay, the Kelly and the rotary table and master bushing and Kelly bushing. Okay, and drill string and drill bit. So these all come under the rotary components, rotary system components. So it means that the rotary system, if you see the rotary system, it means the system and the essential equipments which we combine to rotate the drill bit into the ground or into the water to make the well. Actually, the we will rotate the drill bit, the system which will rotate the drill bit to make the well, and it will going to deeper and deeper. So this system will call the rotary system. Okay, the circulation system, if the circulation system is there, it means it is telling about the mud system. Okay, how the mud is circulated to the bottom of the well bore through the drill bit, and there are nodules in the drill bit through which the drill mud is going out on the base of the well, and how it comes back to the to the surface. So this all, and what is the function of the drill mud, and how why the drill mud is essential in the drilling operation. Okay, so this all will be covered in the circulation system. So let's see the circulation system. The circulation system on a rig is the system that allows the circulation of the drilling mud or drilling fluid, both are the same thing, down through the hollow drill string and up through the annular space between the drill string and the wellbore. So it means the circulation system means how the drill mud is going down to the bottom of the well, and it is coming back to the surface. So this complete process is called the circulation system. What are the different parts, different equipments in the rig which are helpful and essential to carry out the circulation system complete? So, and what are their functions, and what are the objectives to use the drilling mud in the drilling operation? So these all will come in the circulation system, but in a short in the brief actually circulation system, that how the drilling mud is going to the bottom of the well through the drill string, and it is coming back through the annulus to the surface. This is a circulation system. Okay, the well control system. The well control system is the most important thing. Actually, there are two safety measures to control the kick or blowout. The first one is drill mud, that is called the hydrostatic pressure. Okay, and the BOP comes in the second position. Okay, the BOP is the secondary control measure to manage or cope with the blowout and a kick. Okay, so in this well control system, actually, the well control system or the blowout prevention system, the BOP stands for the blowout preventer. On a drilling rig is a system that prevents the uncontrolled catastrophic release of high pressure fluids, oil, gas, or the salt water from the surface formation. So actually, how the blowout preventer works actually to control the blowout uh, when there is a kick, where there is a release of the oil, gas, and the salt water from the formation to the surface. So how the kick and blowout is controlled through the BOP. So in this part, it wants to say that the well control system or the blowout prevention system on a drilling rig is the system that prevents the uncontrolled release of the formation fluid to the surface. Okay. The last but not the least, the monitoring system. The monitoring system is it was not in the practice before 12 or 13 years. Actually, it has been brought into practice before 9 or 10 years ago actually. So what is the monitoring system? See, all drilling rig has its monitoring system. It has real-time sensors, okay, which gives the following information. Some are automated system and some are manual system. There are several actually in the control console at the driller's console. Actually, there are many indicators, there are many sensors, there are gauges, there are meters, there are indicators, there are alarms exist in the rig to provide all data, the real-time data required to control safely, efficiently, and reliably all operations in the rig. Actually, what happens in the rig, there is a driller's console, there is a separate control station on the rig floor, which is controlled by the driller. The driller console have a lot of instruments are there. The sensors are there, the gauges are there, meters are there, which gives the real-time data about the many stuffs. For example, the rotary torque. Okay, what is the torque of the rotation? Okay, pump pressure, about the what is the pressure of the pump, from which pressure the pump is sending the drilling mud. So, and a pump rate, fluid flow rate, flow return, rate of penetration, what is the rate of penetration, fluid properties, okay, pit level, well depths, weight and bit, hook load, and rotary speed. So these all informations are given to the driller, and by these all real time, these sensors, gauges, and indicators. So according to this all current and real-time data, it is very easy for the driller and the drilling supervisor to manage all the drilling performance. And if anything, any problem may be arising in the next coming hours, so that can be solved, okay, because they have a real-time data what we need to do to control the formation pressure, and what should be the mud properties, okay. So this is very important and helpful for controlling the drilling performance. And but some are the automated, and some are manual. For example, the fluid property, is not an automatic system, it is a manual system. And the mud logger takes the return mud from the shell shaker, and time to time and frequently, and in he analyze in a laboratory about the mud properties, okay. So these are a brief information about all kinds of systems in the rig. As I said you, the rig system has been categorized in 6 systems. Okay, so these are the functions of each system. Thank you very much for your time. And I will, as I said earlier, I will make a separate video on each of the system. For example, the power system, the rotary system, the hoisting system, the circulation system, the BOP or the well control system, or the well monitoring system. So I will make a separate video on each system, and I hope that we are going to explore more in the field of the drilling. Okay, thank you very much for your time.